Hi first graders, welcome back to the butterfly life cycle videos. Um, Go ahead and get out your butterfly life cycle packet and then find the page that you see on the screen. It is called Butterfly Symmetry. Okay, so Butterfly Symmetry is the page we're going to do first. Now, what is symmetry? Symmetry means that they are exactly the same on both sides. So, for example, if I put this circle right here, then on this side, I would want that same circle over here. Okay, so what I want you to do is I want you to go ahead and color this side however you want. So I'm going to add some spots, and then I'm going to draw a little squiggle down the side. Okay, you draw your side however you want. Then I want you to try to copy this side the exact same, because symmetry means it's the exact same on both sides. So if you have 3 spots on that side, you have to have 3 spots on the other side, and it needs to be the exact same. Now this is kind of tricky. Try to do it the best you can. I'll give you a few minutes to do it, and if I go too fast, just go ahead and pause the video until you're done. Go ahead. All right, I'm going to move on. If you're still working on your butterfly symmetry, go ahead and pause the video and then push play when you're ready to go on. Okay, the next page in our packet looks like this. It is called the butterfly life cycle. Now it says draw and label each stage in the butterfly life cycle. Let's label each stage first. The very first stage, if you remember, is the egg. So the adult butterflies lay one egg on a leaf. Okay? After they become an egg, they hatch and they become larvae. Do you remember the other name for larva? The other name for larva is a caterpillar. So larva or caterpillar is the second stage. And do you remember what happens when they go into their next phase? They become a pupa or a chrysalis. That's the little shell that they go into. Then the very last stage is what? You said butterfly, you are correct. The last stage is a butterfly. Okay, now it says to draw each stage. So in the picture that we saw before, there was a leaf. So maybe you want to draw a leaf. And then there's one egg per leaf. Only one. So go ahead and draw your egg. Okay, the second stage is the caterpillar or the larva. You can draw yours however you want. Go ahead and draw your caterpillar or larva. Remember they said that the larva or the caterpillar are very, very hungry. Okay, the next stage is the pupa. And they said that the pupas hang off either a leaf or stem. So whatever you want to do, I'm going to draw mine off the side of a leaf. And Pupas are like a brown color or orange or blackish. They kind of look like this and they just hang off there. Kind of like an L or a J shape. Go ahead and draw yours. And then the very last stage is a butterfly. So remember we talked about the butterfly parts yesterday. So we talked about the head, and the thorax, and the abdomen. So 3 body parts. And then they have antennas. And then they have wings. Go ahead and draw your butterfly. Okay, if you're not done with this page, you can go ahead and pause the video. If you are done, I'm going to show you how to do the last page. Your last page looks like this, and all you have to do is color it. Hope that you enjoyed learning about the butterfly life cycle, and come back tomorrow for the ladybug life cycle.